Welcome to this instructional video on solving inequalities. Today we will be solving the inequality Maggie 5t plus 3 is less than 17. We will walk through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To begin solving the inequality minus 5t plus 3 is less than 17, you first need to isolate the variable t on one side of the inequality. In this case, we want to get rid of the plus 3 that is added to minus 5t. To do this, we will subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality. This step is based on the fundamental principle of maintaining the balance of the inequality. Whatever operation you perform on one side must also be performed on the other side. So we subtract 3 from the left side and the right side of the inequality. The inequality minus 5t plus 3 is less than 17 becomes minus 5t plus 3. Minus 3 is less than 17 minus 3. Simplifying this, 3 minus 3 cancels out to 0 on the left side, leaving us with minus 5t, and 17 minus 3 simplifies to 14 on the right side. So now our inequality is minus 5t is less than 14. At this point, we wait before making further calculations to ensure we approach the problem in a methodical way. In the interval notation form, this transition does not require a specific translation yet, but we remain attentive to solving for t. Again, to restate, the inequality after the first step is minus 5t is less than 14. Next, we need to isolate the variable t by getting rid of the coefficient that is attached to t, which in this case is minus 5. Because minus 5t means minus 5 times t, we solve for t by doing the opposite of multiplication, which is division. To isolate t, we divide both sides of the inequality by minus 5. This step follows from the rule that to maintain the balance of the inequality, whatever operation you perform on one side must be performed on the other side as well. When you divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality symbol to preserve the truth of the statement. So we divide the left side by minus 5 and the right side by minus 5. The inequality minus 5t is less than 14 becomes minus 5t divided by minus 5 and 14 divided by minus 5. On the left side, minus 5t divided by minus 5 simplifies to t. On the right side, 14 divided by minus 5 simplifies to minus 14 divided by 5. Remember, because we are dividing by a negative number, we must reverse the inequality sign. So our inequality now is t greater than minus 14 divided by 5. This is the final step. In inequality notation, t is greater than minus 14 divided by 5. In interval notation, t is in the interval from minus 14 divided by 5 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.